Alright, hope you're having a good day. This video will show what it looks like when we take the parabola right here, y equals x squared, bounded by the line y equals 1 on top, and over here on the left-hand side by the y-axis. What happens when we take this area and we revolve it around a couple different curves? I've also got it drawn in here. Up top is the line y equals 2, and down here is the line y equals -1. And I've got several of those areas bounded by that shape drawn in here. We're going to revolve a bunch of those and see what it looks like. So we're going back to a three-dimensional view. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to create a revolution. I'm going to select this area bounded by those curves. And the first axis that we're going to select is right down here, this red line, which represents the x-axis. So we take that area, which is a two-dimensional, and when we revolve it around the x-axis, now it becomes a three-dimensional solid. And you can still see that area inside of there. We'll scoot down to the next one. We'll select that area. We're going to revolve this area by the top boundary line. Right here, this is the line y equals 1. And we revolve this one. We take that two-dimensional area, revolve it. It's going to pivot on that line. It's going to make a nice three-dimensional shape. Just like that. So a very different shape, but still coming from the same area. Scoot down to the third one. Create another revolution from that same area. The third one, we're going to revolve about this line up here. This is the line y equals 2. So it's not touching our shape. It's separated by a distance. And when we do that, since it's separated by a distance, there's going to be a hole in the center of our three-dimensional object, or our 3D volume. So we'll do a fourth one. Create another revolution of this same area. This time the axis is down here. It's -1, y equals -1. Select that axis. And we revolve that axis, revolve that area around the axis. Makes a completely different three-dimensional shape than the other ones. You can see that when the area is separated from the line of revolution by a distance, there's going to be a hole in the center of your object. When the axis is touching, the axis of revolution is touching the shape, it's going to be a closed object. And this last one, instead of revolving this last one about a horizontal axis, we'll go ahead and take this vertical axis, we'll revolve it right here around the y-axis, about the vertical boundary line. When we do that, same thing, we take that two-dimensional shape, revolve it around the axis, so from that same profile, we've got several very different shapes. Thank you.